you.
Booyah, boy! What you got?
I just got a plain Jane, but I'm gonna load it with bacon.
And the moment we've all been waiting for. How you doing? Gonna do some the beef and the pork butt and the sausage. Oh, and a little bit of mac and cheese, please. Oh yeah, there's no line.
Oh my goodness, no there.
There's no line. So over here drinking on.
A glass of the fish bowl.
Had to do our annual stop over at the Red Frog for the, what is it?
Happy hour.
Happy hour, half price. So we're over here stopping. Now we are about to head to the room and unpack a little bit, which is kind of boring, but gotta do it because we're gonna be home for the next technically 7.5 days. We're gonna go head to Muster. Probably not gonna record anything in Muster because it's no. But then we will catch back up with you after. Yeah, we decided to sit on the balcony for a minute. We don't get to enjoy this very often. It's our first balcony ever. Yeah. This will be cruise number 8. I wish we were vlogging back then. A lot of videos, a lot of memories.
I gotta get a stool.
There's only 2 chairs. So we're making Evan sit on the footstool. I mean, I guess we're not making him. It could be worse conditions than him having to sit on the footstool out on the balcony. I don't know. We'll go in and pack in a few minutes. That's what we're looking at here. See all the ships in the out there?
Yeah, what are those?
There's a celebrity.
Princess, celebrity.
I don't know what that other one is in the back.
Another celebrity.
This is a royal.
Yeah, Royal's here.
Royal.
Royal's Adventure of the Seas right there. And then over on the side is the princess. And
Is
then
this big one here, princess? Next to the royal?
Yes. So that's our view for right now, and I mean outside of this thing. But hey, whatever. We'll be sailing at 3:30, so a little shortly after our muster. Alright guys, so if you want to know why, one of the best things about having Faster the Fun on sailing days, sometimes sea days, they can get really long lines, so it's a helpful hint. Alright, there's the Equinox setting sail. There's so many ships setting in port today. That's a lot of little boats out there actually. It's kind of weird seeing that many around. Yeah, that's a big boy. Yep, Equinox is taking off. One of the 5 in port today, if not 6. We don't know if there's one over on there. 7. So muster's done.
We're officially free.
We're officially, you know, on the cruise. You know, no more have-tos. So we're happy. We're gonna sit on deck. Our muster was right like a deck above us and pretty much right above us. So we decided to come back to the room and let everybody disperse before going out and trying to get up on deck. That's the one bad thing about being on deck 2. Even though the balcony is amazing, getting up to deck 10, 11, right after a muster or some kind of event or anything is going to be kind of a task. So we're going to wait them out.
Walk all the stairs.
Let's
Which we did earlier.
Back here. sit in the window. But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna relax for a little bit and hopefully we might go up to the party. We've done a lot of the parties. We don't, you know, I don't know. We want to be on deck for the sail away. So hopefully that's what you see next. All right. All right, we're taking off, sailing away. Sailing away. Can't wait to see that blue water. This is pretty too.
Oh yeah.
This is nice water. It's definitely not the Hudson or the Mississippi. If any of you guys out there have sailed on that, you know what we mean. Just not as nice looking as this. That's Miami all the way in that there distance. That's our favorite port to sail out of, Miami. This was an okay port, it wasn't bad. Everything moved pretty smoothly too. And now, we're cruising. We're officially cruising! Yeah! We are cruising. Look at this water. This sun is like perfect.
Oh man, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing.
If you've never cruised before, just do it once. Do it once, try it. There's a lot of people we talk to that don't like cruising. Or at least they don't like the idea of cruising. Be out in the water, all that stuff, it scares them. Yeah, look at this. This is what we do it for. And this is just the beginning. We just got out here. A lot of fun ahead. Stay tuned. It's rocking. This ship's awfully rocky now. Gotta get the sea legs back. Look at this. But look at this, guys. Guys. Oh. YouTube family. It may be too windy that you don't even hear me, but if you don't understand why we do this, come on. Posing. Posing. First day on the cruise. What are you thinking? How you guys liking it so far?
I can't stand up.
It's very rocky. Alright, so we're at dinner right now and we do the Your Time dining. So we're in the Northern Lights restaurant. And a little different than last time, you actually check in with an app. You can check in with an app. I think if they have available tables, you can go and sit down right away, but the Hub app, you download it before. Okay, so you get the Hub app, and you actually check into the restaurant on the app. And then it will pop up and tell you when your table is ready, and then they'll hold it for 10 minutes. And then you go straight to your table. You don't wait in line, you don't do anything, you go straight to your table, and then they bring you menus and everything. It's actually really interesting now that we know what happened. We know what needs to happen. It's a pretty cool way of doing it. So we're gonna eat some dinner, we'll show you some food when it comes by, and then it might be an early night. We're all feeling a little tired, yeah? Yeah, a little tired. Alright, so Shell got the roasted tomato
base.
Roasted tomato base. Look at it.
It smells delicious.
Focus on it.
Smell-o-vision.
Utia, what did you got tonight? What do you got?
Chicken breast, peppercorn sauce, baked potato.
And some mixed vegetables with some red potatoes.
Yep.
All right. I'm sitting on a chicken breast with some mixed vegetables and some mac and cheese. We're keeping it a little light tonight. We did eat, you know, guys, earlier, as you saw. Evan got some chicken nuggets off the kids menu. Whatever, order whatever you want. That was good. That was good. Food was well done. How'd you like your chicken nuggets?
They were pretty good.
I like my chicken. It was good. Bam. Stop it. Too easy.
By the way, it's only been 10 minutes.
You didn't need to mention that. It's been more than 10 minutes.
No, it hasn't. It hasn't been more than 10 minutes. Alright.
That was our waiter, Milan. Yep. Waiter for tonight. So there's only a few things that we have to have while on a cruise. For Carnival, after dinner, some of you probably already know where I'm going with this. Bam!
I forgot to ask you a side of peanut butter.
Oh, side of peanut butter.
Saw that on YouTube.
That's right. We saw that some smart person on YouTube shouted out getting some peanut butter on the side, having it with that. Great. Oh, it's good. Nice. Enjoy. All right, just got back to the room. We're going with seal. I don't know. We're going with the seal. I don't know. I keep looking at it from different angles. I'm not sure if I can go in with the seal, but there's a little towel animal. Nice little welcome aboard. Yeah, we got waters because we are now, yeah, red cards. We're gonna be calling it a night kind of early tonight. We're getting a little tired, so. Evan went up to the teen club because he moved into the, what is it, Club 02?
I think so.
It's Club 02. 15 to 17 years old. Dinner was really good. The melting chocolate cake was really good. Tomorrow's a sea day. First of the first 2 sea day. We have 3 sea days. 3 sea days on this trip, which is actually more than we've ever had before. So we'll see what
We
happens.
had 3 accidentally last cruise.
Correct.
Check out our previous videos for info on that.
Check out the previous videos. If you like the video, give her a thumbs up. If you like the channel, give it a subscribe. Click the little, I wonder if I'd be cool enough to make a little click thing up here. Alright guys, we'll check in with you tomorrow. That's it, that's all I got.